This video shows you how to replace the multi-plate clutch and the actuation piston for the Volvo compressor with clutch. Please carry out the work in an appropriate, clean environment. This video only shows how to replace the multi-plate clutch. The preparatory work required is shown in a separate video. Use special tools TC13 and TC13-2 to lock the clutch unit. Use an 18mm socket to release the retaining bolt of the multi-plate clutch. Remove the gear and the clutch casing unit. Remove the release bearings. Remove the sealing ring from the crankshaft drive. Mark the mounting position for the teeth of the gear and clutch unit. Mark the teeth used. Using a hammer and special tool TC14, gently tap the multi-plate clutch unit out of the gear, clutch casing and gear carrier. Remove the multi-plate clutch unit from the gear and casing. Attach tool combination TC02 and TC02-1 to the control connection. Install the special tool combination TC20 and TC20-2. Use compressed air to remove the actuation piston. Take care to exert even pressure so as to avoid tilting the actuation piston. Remove tool combination TC20 and TC20-2. Remove the actuation piston. Remove the special tool combination TC02 and TC02-2. Check the multiple plate clutch unit and hearth teeth for wear. The gap between the plate and the casing must be at least 1 mm. Check the piston surface and hearth teeth in the compressor for damage and scoring. Check the hearth teeth on the compressor crankshaft. Mount special tools TC21 and TC22 on the compressor in order to install the new actuation piston. Lubricate the sliding surfaces with a small quantity of engine oil. Fully insert the actuation piston by hand, being careful not to tilt it. Make sure you install the actuation piston the right way round. Remove the special tool combination TC21 and TC22. Insert the sealing ring into the slot on the hearth teeth on the crankshaft. Insert the new release bearing. Take care to insert it correctly. Check the clutch unit and gear for wear. Also check the longitudinal grooves for insertion of the multi-plate clutch. If only every second longitudinal groove is slightly damaged, the unit can still be used. since the undamaged grooves are used for assembly of the multiplate clutch unit. Insert the multiplate clutch unit into the gear and clutch casing unit. Turn the unit one longitudinal groove further than the position originally marked. Place the new multiplate clutch unit onto the release bearing and hearth teeth. Check the gear carrier for damage. Slightly lubricate the cone of the gear carrier with engine oil. Insert the fastening screw by hand. Attach tool combination TC13 and TC13.2 to lock the crankshaft. Tighten the fastening bolt with an 18mm socket and a torque of 70 Nm. Then release the bolt and tighten it with a torque of 25 Nm. Carry out an angle adjustment of 90 degrees. Ensure that the hearth teeth are assembled correctly, tooth in tooth.